Hello everyone. In this final tutorial, we will guide you through the process of saving and loading your Playable Ad project, and will demonstrate how to generate a fully publishable Playable Ad from it. Use the download button to easily save the project to your disk. The project file is a zip file containing all the necessary assets and definitions. Reload your project back into the editor by uploading the saved zip file. This allows you to continue editing and refining your Playable Ad. Keep in mind that the project file itself is not a Playable Ad, it's a collection of assets and definitions. To transform it into a real Playable Ad, a conversion is necessary. While the automatic conversion process is not yet finalized, you can send us the zip file to our email address. We'll handle the conversion for you, creating a Playable Ad that supports all the ad networks we endorse. For more details, including information on pricing, please visit our website. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial series. We hope you found it informative and helpful in navigating the Playable Ad editor. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Stay tuned for future updates and enhancements to our conversion process. We look forward to assisting you in bringing your Playable Ad to life.